Hi guys, Rick More Random here. This is over here by the post office. I thought I'd show you this little fountain over. It's pretty neat. So Nan's gonna contribute to this. Let me slide it up here a little bit. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Glad you came to see my channel. It's about 86 degrees out here. And I think this is from some of this stuff was donated by our project by a church and stuff. You see some different things on here. You can see it says New Haven, Michigan official seal. Lots of traffic noise in the background. But if you guys like my channel, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Make sure to hit all so you know when I have a new video to post. Come over here and show you some flowers. Excuse the noise in the background. Oh, this is the Purple Heart community. A little warm out here, but it is a beautiful day. Hope everybody's doing well. We'll kind of just go around the pool here. Out some so you can see it. You see some verses and stuff, things like that. Well guys, thank you for joining my channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Like I said, my channel is Rick More Random. Like and subscribe, hit that bell for all notifications. You guys have a great day. And one more thing, just be positive and do the best you can each and every day. I know it can be hard sometimes. Everybody has their struggles, but just keep your faith. Have an awesome day.